Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's TinyTan Jungkook. So let's get started. To draw cute Jungkook, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw a curve across. So come up and down, about like so tentatively. Just going to draw this wide curve. Then I'm going to just give myself a little space in between. So say about, let's see here. Let's say about right here. I'll give myself another point, and from there I'm going to draw another curve just like the other side. So about right here. There. So now that I have these two curves in, let's go ahead and we're going to come right into the center of this curve and we're going to draw this circle oval. So let's come right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve all the way across. Then let's come inside and I'm going to draw a circle right here for a highlight and one here at the bottom. And then in this space and right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another oval inside and shade this all in. And then from there, I'm going to come to the bottom of this eye and I'm going to just put a little curve right here underneath to anchor the eyes. And then let's come right here and we're going to draw a little curve that comes down. And I'm going to thicken this top curve just to anchor everything even more. There. So let's do the same thing on this side. So right in the center, about right here. And we'll end about the same area. And once again, a highlight right here and here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come about right here in the center and we're going to give him a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to draw a soft curve that goes up and cap it off. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and come back to the side right here where the eye is, and we're just going to come right here. Give myself a point right here. And now I'm going to start to basically draw the bottom of a U. So it's going to be a very wide and a little bit flatter U. Create this more chibi face. So just come right here, draw a curve, and let's go ahead and continue this all the way down to about right here, right underneath the mouth, and connect. There, so I've created this curve right underneath, so a little bit flatter bottom of the U. Then from there, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, both sides, a little bit above the eye. And then from there, I'm going to just imagine this oval, so the flatter oval, and about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down, comes right to this point we created. So this is going to be the beginning of his hair. So now we're going to come up on this side and we're going to draw that one strand, comes down towards his eye, and let's bring it up. Right back in here. Then let's come over here and we're going to finish off. So we need two more strands and then out. A little bit more space here. Just go ahead and finish it off. Then let's come back right here and we're just going to draw a soft curve over to finish for his head right there. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come to the side right here. I mean to this point right here, we're just going to go up with a curve, nice and full. So say about right there, and I'm going to come down with a curve, and this side's going to go up. So let's bring this down, and as I come down right here, it's going to be a little bit flatter, maybe a little bit dip, and then it's going to round off and come right back in. So that in this space right here, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in an ear. I'm just going to add a curve. So it's the same thing on this side. So this side is going to go nice and high, and right here, come right back in. Just like the other side, we're going to bring this in, just tuck it in to simplify it. And then once again, whatever space right here, just tuck in his ear. There. So then let's see here, you can come in here with some details, lines, perhaps for his hair. And we can add a little strand right here. Pop this out a little bit more. Okay, so we're pretty much done with his hair, then his brow. So let's come to the top about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft arc and thicken it up. And same thing here. So whatever, well, so we'll say about right here. We'll see a little bit of it. Maybe pop out a little bit right here. Okay, so now we have his brows in. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw his tiny little body, right? So let's say about right here. Just gonna go ahead and here. And so about right here is going to be my center. So I'm going to come, let's see, about right here. And I'm going to draw this neckline right here, kind of this wide V. And then let's bring this out for his shoulders. And down. So then right in this area where I've created this V, we're going to draw a straight line down because he's wearing a shirt inside and a jacket. So let's come back right here. We're going to go up, go in a little bit, come out and out for his collar. So same thing here, go in, out, and in. There, so hopefully I didn't confuse you too much with that. And then now that we have that collar in, we can come right back into this collar area, and we're going to draw a curve down. So let's see here, same thing here. Okay, so let's bring this all the way down and let's come back. So we're going to go back and forth. So say about right here, kind of where his armpit area would be. Right here, I'm going to bring a curve down. So this is going to be the sides right here. So let's keep going back and forth. I'm going to bring this down more for his jacket. So let's see here. So say about right here, I'm going to stop, and this is where I'm going to put his belt. So now I know where his legs are going to start. So right about right there. And I'll just put in a little detail right here for his belt. And let's bring this down a little bit more for his jacket. And we're going to go ahead and connect. So same thing here. There. And then let's come to the center, about right here. I'm going to draw a little curve. And this is where his legs are going to start. So let's come right here. And he's wearing these jeans, so I'm going to make him a little bit wider at the bottom. About right there. And connect it with a curve. Same thing over here. There. And then for some details, line right there, and then his little feet. So I'm going to come right here and pop out a little curve, a little straighter right here, and just connect. So same thing over here, so a little bit straighter right here. This part curves out and connect for his little feet. Then let's come back and finish his jacket. So I'm going to bring this and connect right here, and then I almost forgot, let's just finish his shirt right here all the way down. And for his sleeves, we're going to bring this down to about right here. Then on his hands to end about right here, and then another layer, and then his hands. So let's come right here, just tiny, tiny little hands, a little finger, round it off and in. Maybe that's a little too tiny. Okay, so same thing on this side. So about right here. Cut it off, and then the inside. One more layer, and then the hands. There. So we got two little tiny hands, and then maybe some details right here. You can put a little pocket for his jacket, and here. And let's see, are we missing anything? That is pretty much it. I'll just add a heart right here to make him my Draw So Cute Jungkook. And if you like, you can add some buttons here for some detail. But that is pretty much it, and I really hope you love how Jungkook hair turned out from BTS's TinyTan Dynamite video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.